Hello sewing friends, and welcome to my channel. Because in my tutorials all you're going to see are my hands for the most part, I wanted to go ahead and pan out and introduce myself and my company to you. I'm Nikki, and several years ago I retired from a career in educational technology, and a few years later became an empty nester. As any of you empty nesters or retirees can relate, I then had to figure out what to do with myself. I had a passion for creating with decades of experience sewing, and so decided to combine my skills, my passions, and that's how Creazioni Cicerone was born. When starting, it was just an Etsy shop, but over time, friends, family, Etsy customers made their custom requests, and I started designing patterns. My why for this channel was originally to create videos to go along with the patterns, but it's evolved into sharing my love of sewing more generally and to help other sewists gain knowledge and confidence. I also wanted to create a place for my kids and grandkids to go to learn from me anytime I'm not able to be there with them physically. My YouTube goal now is to share anything that can make the joy of sewing more accessible. Most of my videos are free tutorials and quick tips that I call sewing snacks. Occasionally I'll create a video for a new pattern that I sell online at my Etsy shop and also via some of my business partners. If you'd like to learn even more about Creazioni Cicerone and or sign up for my free monthly newsletter, visit creazioniCicerone.com. Then peruse this collection of videos and find your joy. If in the process you have any questions or suggestions, I would love to read them. Go ahead and drop them in the comments. I enjoy connecting with other creative souls. So let's go ahead and find our joy, and happy creating.